Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some classical vintage inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Classical vintage inspired home decoration is an interior design style that combines the elegance and symmetry of classical interiors with the warmth, charm, and nostalgia of vintage decor. The result is a home that feels timeless, graceful, cozy, and full of character. Think of a beautiful old European home, a grandparent's elegant sitting room, or a classic country house filled with treasured antiques. The goal is not to make everything look old, but to combine classic elegance with nostalgic vintage character. This style is especially beautiful for living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, entryways, and cozy reading corners. Classical vintage inspired home decoration is a beautiful style for anyone who loves the feeling of old-world elegance, timeless furniture, nostalgic details, and a warm, lived-in atmosphere. It can be thought of as a meeting point between classic interior designs and vintage cottage charm. The importance of architecture. Classical vintage interiors often bring with the room itself features such as decorative crown molding, wainscoting and wall paneling, arched doorways, wooden floors, high ceilings, classic fireplaces, decorative ceiling medallions can give the home a traditional foundation. If your home is modern, you can create a similar feeling with decorative moldings, vintage-style mirrors, framed artwork, or traditional furniture. Choose furniture with character. Furniture is one of the most important parts of this style. Look for pieces that have a sense of history and craftsmanship, such as antique wooden cabinets, carved coffee tables, traditional dining tables, vintage armchairs, upholstered sofas, old-fashioned chatting desks, wooden hutches, and display cabinets. Furniture does not have to be a matching set. Combined different pieces can make the room feel collected over time. Create a timeless color palette. The best colors are usually soft, muted, and warm. Consider cream and ivory, warm beige, soft shades green, dusty blue, muted rose, warm taupe, antique white, and natural wood tones. For a more dramatic classical look, you can introduce deep burgundy, forest green, navy, chocolate brown in small amounts. Decorate the walls. Walls are an opportunity to add personality. Try vintage landscape paintings, botanical prints, portrait-style artwork, antique-style frames, decorative mirrors, vintage plates, and small gallery walls. A collection of artwork in different but complementary frames can create an authentic, connected appearance. Use elegant lighting. Lighting can completely change the atmosphere. Consider crystal or traditional candeliers, brass table lamps, vintage wall sconces, fabric shades, lamps, candle-style decorative holders. Warm, gentle lighting works especially well because it highlights the textures and details of vintage furniture. Add floral and botanical elements. Flowers are perfect for softening classical furniture. You can use fresh flowers in ceramic vases, jarred flowers, botanical prints, floral cushions, vintage floral curtains, small potted plants. For a more nostalgic look, choose simple seasonal flowers rather than arrangements that look overly formal. Display collections. One of the charms of classical vintage decorating is the idea of displaying treasured objects. A glass cabinet or vintage hut can showcase porcelain dishes, vintage teacups, old books, small ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, decorative boxes, and family heirlooms. The key is to create a display that feels personal rather than like a showroom. Bring in soft textiles. Textiles make the space feel comfortable and welcoming. Try linen curtains, lace details, floral cushions, embroidered tablecloths, vintage quilts, soft area rugs, and velvet accent chairs. Layering different textures gives the room a cozy, luxurious feeling without making it look overly modern. Mix old and new carefully. You don't need an entirely antique home. In fact, combining one or two modern comforts with vintage features can make the space more practical. For example, you might have a modern sofa paired with an antique coffee table, a vintage mirror, and a traditional jug. This creates a home that feels sleek yet comfortable for everyday living. And a touch of nature. Classical vintage interiors often look beautiful with natural materials. Consider wooden furniture, wicker baskets, rattan accessories, stoneware ceramics, natural linen, dried branches, indoor greenery. These elements prevent the room from feeling too formal and add a relaxed country house atmosphere. A simple styling formula for a beautiful classical vintage inspired room. Try this combination. On classic furniture beach, on vintage statement accessory, soft neutral wall color, floral or traditional textile, antique style lighting, fresh or dried flowers, a few personal treasures. The most important idea is to make the home feel timeless rather than trendy. Choose pieces you genuinely love, allow some imperfections, and let the room tell a story through the objects you display. This is how it gives classical vintage inspired decoration its special, nostalgic, elegant, and lived-in charm. Here is a deeper look at classical vintage inspired home decoration, especially if you love nostalgic, elegant, grandmother style cottage and old world interiors. The style is about timelessness. Classical vintage decoration is not about following the latest trend. Instead, it focuses on pieces that can remain beautiful for many years. The room should look as though it has evolved naturally over generations. A vintage wooden cabinet might sit beside a traditional sofa, while an antique mirror hangs above a modern console. The combination creates a feeling of history and continuity. Natural materials are important. Natural materials help create the authentic feeling of an older home. Consider using solid or distressed wood, linen, cotton, wool, wicker, rattan, ceramic, terracotta, brass, aged metal, and glass. These materials add texture and warmth and help the room feel less artificial. The collected over time look. One of the biggest secrets of this style is avoiding a room where everything looks brand new and perfectly matched. Instead, imagine collecting beautiful objects over many years. You might combine an old wooden chest, a vintage lamp, a floral painting, a ceramic vase, a traditional rug, a few old books, a family-style photograph. The result feels personal and authentic. Mirrors create classical elegance. A large vintage or antique style mirror can become a focal point. Look for ornate gold frames, aged wooden frames, curved frames, arched mirrors, decorative oval mirrors. Place a mirror above a fireplace, console table, dresser, or intimate table. It can also make a smaller room feel brighter and more spacious. Vintage clocks add character. A traditional clock can instantly bring a sense of history into a room. Consider a grandfather clock, mantle clock, wooden wall clock, and decorative antique style clock. Even a small clock displayed on a shelf can add an interesting nostalgic detail. Dining room can be especially beautiful. The classical vintage style works wonderfully in dining spaces. A traditional wooden table can be paired with upholstered dining chairs, a vintage candlelight, linen tablecloths, ceramic plates, floral centerpieces, brass candlesticks, and a wooden hut. A hut or glass front cabinet is perfect for displaying vintage china, teacups, glassware, and decorative platters. Create a vintage tea corner for a cozy nostalgic touch. Create a small tea or coffee station using a vintage tray or cabinet. Add floral teacups, ceramic sugar bowls, a small vase of flowers, vintage style jars, a linen cloth, and a decorative framed print. This can create a charming grandmother's house inspired atmosphere. Make the living room feel comfortable. A classical living room should not feel like a museum. Add comfortable elements such as soft cushions, knitted throws, floral or traditional rugs, upholstered armchairs, wooden coffee table, floor lamps, basket for storage. The goal is to balance elegance with everyday comfort. Use floral patterns thoughtfully. Floral prints are a natural match for vintage-inspired interiors. You can introduce them through curtains, wallpaper, cushion, armchairs, table genres, bed covers, and artwork. If you use floral wallpaper, keep some of the furniture and accessories simple, so the room does not feel visually overwhelming. Bedrooms should feel romantic and peaceful. For a classical vintage bedroom, consider an antique-style wooden bed, a vintage bedside table, soft floral bedding, a quilt or crocheted blanket, linen curtains, a classic mirror, a small reading chair, warm bedside lighting, soft colors such as cream, dusty rose, shiz, pale blue, and warm beige can create a peaceful atmosphere. Don't forget the entrance. The entrance sets the mood of the entire home. Try a vintage console table plus an antique mirror. Also use a small lamp, ceramic vase, and fresh flowers. You can also add a small wooden bench, vintage coat hooks, or a traditional genre. Add personal memories. The most beautiful classical vintage homes often include objects that have emotional meaning. You might display handmade crafts, heirloom-style dishes, vintage books, handwritten recipe cards, crochet pieces, embroidered linens, and travel souvenirs. These details make the home feel lived in and meaningful, rather than simply decorated. The main design principle, the secret to this style is balance, elegant but not overly formal, vintage but not cluttered, classical but still comfortable, nostalgic but suitable for modern living. If you love vintage cottage, English country, grandma-inspired and nostalgic home decor, you can combine those elements with classical details to create a home that feels like a timeless family house, filled with stories, treasured objects, and warm memories. Create a sense of history. A classical vintage home should feel as if it has a story. Instead of decorating every corner with new objects, choose pieces that appear to have history, craftsmanship, and personality. For example, you could place an old wooden cabinet against a wall and decorate it with a ceramic vase, vintage books, and a small framed botanical print. The combination creates a sense that the objects have been collected gradually. Use honest statement antique. You don't need many expensive antiques to achieve the look. Choose one important vintage-inspired piece as the focal point. Good choices include an ornate mirror, a carved wooden cabinet, a vintage hut, an antique-style armchair, a traditional writing desk, a large wooden dining table, a classic grandfather clock. Build the rest of the room around this piece. Make artwork look collected. Instead of using all large modern artwork, try creating a small collection. You can combine botanical illustrations, landscapes, vintage portraits, floral paintings, architectural sketches, old-fashioned prints. Use frames in wood, brass, gold, or antique finishes that don't need to match perfectly. Slight differences can make the arrangement feel more authentic. Use the fireplace as a focal point. If you have a fireplace, you can become the heart of the room. Decorate the mantel with a large vintage mirror, candlesticks, ceramic vases, small framed pictures, a traditional clock, seasonal flowers. Even without a real fireplace, you can create a similar focal point using a console table or vintage cabinet. Don't make everything perfect. A little imperfection is part of the charm. Slightly worn wood, aged brass, faded fabric, and old looking ceramics can make a room feel more genuine. The goal is not to make everything look damaged or artificially distressed. Instead, add a natural sign of age and craftsmanship to contribute to the character of the space. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.